Hi there, I want to make a quick video for the first look iPhone 12 Max Pro and open unboxing as well. So this is about just compare with how the box is and how the phone is when the opening. There is a two phone between here. There is iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So just basic comparison and how the unboxing did. I covered the unboxing with top view video. So after unboxing, and I can say that on hold quite good, and these edges give a bit thick feeling. And if I compare with 11 Max Pro, so this, how can I say, this one is easy to hold, and also you don't feel this hard the edges, and these edges after certain use it might creates a feeling like create itch in your hand, like it can make, maybe it can pain, depends on how you hold your phone. But round is, for my view, is better, but in anyhow I will use with the case have mostly there's round feeling, so it will, you don't use this straight away the phone. I was using Huawei P20 Pro, then I swapped iPhone 12 Pro Max. So main reason is to make this change. It is only I want to have better camera. Other than that, this Huawei feel all my needs. The only issue is the camera wasn't good enough. I'm doing photography as videography, and I have new gimbal. Maybe you can see the link below. I want to make some nice video with this gimbal with the iPhone, new iPhone. And this is my wife's phone, and if I compare, they're identical by size, and everywhere is equal, like speaker dots and charging ports, on and off button, and also the cameras. The difference is cameras is a little bit higher in 12 Max Pro. So we'll see, and I'll make another video, long review, and you can see. I can share some video and photos as well, so you will see the comparison after a certain time to use. So we'll see how it's gonna be. And I usually like to use an iPhone. The last time I just try on Android phone, and Huawei P20 Pro. It was really good phone. And only downside is the camera, and video is not good enough, and when you do gimbal video, the focusing and everything doesn't work nice. And I try with gimbal videos with my wife's phone and also iPhone 7. This DJI Osmo Mobile 4 works perfectly with iPhone rather than Huawei. So we'll see and how it's gonna end up. So as you know, most of you seen there are many reviews and articles about it. There is no additional charger and the headset inside the box. Well, it is a downside for me, but I recently made a purchase by iPad Pro, so it is exactly the same 20-watt charger, and I used to have my wireless headset. So I'm not gonna use this cable one. The cable one, I can understand there's a good for environmental use, but the battery, everybody doesn't have this USB-C type charger, which is, I don't understand why they made this move. And I think it was important to have it, but I didn't understand really. I respect that, but anyhow, after certain use, I'll make long video, and my target is to make videos and photos, mostly to make a comparison about the phone. And for Huawei P20 Pro, after long use, that was brilliant phone. The only issue was the camera, and we'll see how it's gonna last in iPhone. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow. Feel free to ask any questions.